What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the workbench. I'm Mr. DJ, and today we're gonna do a little upgrade. Right now I have the I got this here in a metal box. It's the Bushnell Cellular Core trail cam, the A20. It's actually a pretty nice little trail cam. If you guys want to know more my opinion on it, see some pictures and videos from it, let me know. Maybe I'll do a review on it. I've had it for a couple months now, a month or so. Maybe 2 months, I don't know. But I've had it. It's actually a pretty nice trail cam. But the downside is you only get like 20 seconds of video. It's really, so I decided, hey, why not upgrade? So then I started looking into other trail cams. They're all about the same. There's nothing really special about any in particular ones. And I was like, well, you know what, I want video is what I was trying to get, is more video, longer videos and stuff. So I was like, hey, why don't I just get a security camera to put out there? Pretty cool. I get a bunch of coyotes out there, got some possums, some raccoons, a bunch of birds. I don't know, just thought it was kind of cool. I just started capturing them all, and now I started feeding them. And yeah, now they come back all the time. So just something kind of fun and interesting and kind of cool to see them all come up and eating and whatnot. But anyways, I'll show you guys that stuff later on. So we're going to upgrade from this, from a trail cam, to this here is the Soliom, I think that's how you pronounce it, Soliom 4G Lite. Went with the dark gray. It's the outdoor solar battery powered pan and tilt security camera S600. How did I come up with this one, you ask? I just kind of randomly picked one. I did a little bit of research, kind of checked out a bunch of videos on YouTube and people talking about different ones, and I was like, the problem is you start watching some of these and the people that are sponsored by them aren't going to give you always the most honest review, because then all of a sudden you find videos of people that aren't sponsored by them that are telling you all the negatives about them. So I was like, you know what, I have no sponsor, don't know much about this one. A couple people said it was pretty good, a couple people said it was okay, so I figured I'd give it a try and see what comes up of it. So anyways, that's how I came on this one. And plus I wanted one that I could get a data plan, because with the Bushnell I have the data plan. It's like 15 bucks a month or something like that. So then this way all the pictures and video, well, pictures will come through, but I couldn't see any video, which kind of sucked. So that was another reason I figured I would go with security camera, because at least now I will be able to see the pictures and video, well, all the video, come through on my phone. Anyways, let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside real quick. Alright, we got the package ripped open. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, right up on top we got, what we got? Quick start guide, user manual, and a mounting plate template thing. So we got that there. Next up, we got a nice, decent sized solar panel on there. So that's pretty cool. Get that hooked up. Then we have the EIoT Club SIM card. That's for AT&T or T-Mobile, which I got T-Mobile, so that works. And here's the camera. First impression, it's all plastic. So left and right does have a little play. Up and down, got quite a bit of play, so hopefully that doesn't play any factors in wiggling or anything in the wind, because where it's going to be sitting at, it will be kind of windy. So hopefully hopefully that doesn't mess with it too much. So if it does, you guys will find out. So will I. Oh, what else we got in here? Looks like we have some mounting hardware, some screws, whatnot. We do have a USB plug. It looks like this is a USB. It's the smaller one. It's not the new C. It's the other one. The one thing I did remember hearing someone say is I think I have to charge it. I'll read this stuff later on and figure out what I have to do, but I think I have to charge it for like 10 or 12 hours or something like that before I bring it outside. And that's it. So that's everything we get in the box. So I'm going to get this stuff kind of set up, charge it tonight, and then about 3 seconds from now you guys will see me installing it outside and getting it all mounted up. Alright, you just see me unbox it. Now we're here, got the solar panel all charged up, ready to go. So now let's hook up the camera, and we'll go on back and show you guys where I'm going to put it at. So again, we got all of our paperwork. We got a camera, SIMS card, some of this stuff, one of these thingies. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, put them up maybe. So, antennas, you can move them around a little bit here. They go in and out. A little bit of movement. So, let's see what we got here. Get the solar panel mounted on here. Such a beautiful day out today, let me tell you. Got done working earlier, all the neighbors are having some parties. I'll go over there later on, have a couple drinks. Alright, next up we'll connect the solar panel to the camera. I'm just kind of winging it. I probably should have read the paperwork. Down here, looks like is where we put our SIM card and TF card. Almost looks like there's one in there. Oh. Looks like there's one in there maybe. Oh, look at that. They send you a 32 gig micro SD card. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. But we're going to up it. I got a 128 gig. Alright. SIM cards in, or SD cards in. SIM card is in. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not stupid, but this took way too long. I just shut the camera off because for some reason it wasn't reading my thing. Make sure when you guys go to put your SIM card in, you push it all the way in until it clicks. For some reason mine wasn't going in. I had to fiddle with it a little bit, and eventually it went all the way in. So, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so blue light's constantly on.
Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone.
Alright. So, she's loading up. So let's see what happens.
camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly. Installed successfully.
Alright.
Fully charge the camera at first use.
Alright, let's see what we get on it. Click on it, and TF card is not formatted. Do you want to format now? Yes. Took a couple tries, a little bit of aggravation, but we got it. So I'm all good. I got it all hooked up here. As you can see on here. Yeah, maybe. But anyways, I'm gonna go get this installed in the back. Alright, so as you can see, this is where I have the Bushnell camera set up, just on this dead tree right here. This is where I put the bowl of food at. Get a pretty good shot of the coyotes and stuff coming up. I'll post a couple of videos and pictures and whatnot right here of some stuff that I've caught. But to mount it, I'm going to use some heavy duty zip ties. Hopefully these will be good enough, at least for now. If this works out, then I will mount it a lot better. But let's just see how this works here. Oh yeah. Why wouldn't the battery want to die right now? Alright guys, so real quick before the battery dies, I'm going to show you. I got the camera mounted up. I got the Bushnell down here, so you guys can see a comparison of the two cameras at night. Where I have the orange can at, right there in the camera. That's where it's at. It's pretty cool. I can, zoom, pan, tilt, and all that. Everything that everybody else has talked about on here, So now I'm going to go fill up the bowl, and doesn't that look freaking delicious? Anyways guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Keep an eye out for more content. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know. If you guys have your own animals that you feed, wild animals, tag me on Instagram. Send me some pictures or whatever. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you feed them. Comment below. If you guys want to know more information about the two cameras that I bought, or the two cameras that I have, I'll have the links down below. Check them out. Pick one up if you want. I'm sure you can find somebody that can break down all the technical stuff way better than I could, so I didn't even bother with you guys. Yeah, so I appreciate it, guys. And remember, until next time, remember, there ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby.